Hello dear traders, today is the 18th of June, Tuesday. I'm online again with a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. Yesterday I offered two trading ideas that are being worked out at the moment. As for the news flow, today the United States will issue its retail sales data, which may affect the US dollar. What is more, tomorrow the US markets will be closed. It's better to keep this information in mind. Let us focus on the trading charts. Gold prices continue falling. It is quite logical after yesterday's short opportunity. We saw two swings highs, but the way buyers may also benefit from the swing low near 23.08. As for the euro-dollar pair, it is trading in a very interesting zone. There are highs recorded on June 14 and today. Below, there is a swing low, thus I suggest three targets that the pair may reach in case of a rise. Yesterday, the pound-dollar pair allowed traders to buy from the swing low. At present, the trading instrument is also hovering along the swing low. Those who prefer buy orders have a chance to open them. The Australian dollar is inching down. However, there are upper areas that could bring money. The USD-CAD pair is trading sideways. I suppose that the market will revive amid the news from the United States. Now, it's too early to make any conclusions. The Japanese yen continues losing value against the US dollar. The pair is trading at its highs, showing no signs of a reversal. The closer the price climbs to its all-time highs, the more likely the Bank of Japan will take measures to support the national currency. That's all I wanted to tell you today. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.